Hello, welcome back to another video of number system. In this video we will talk about how you can convert a binary number to a decimal number, or you can say binary to decimal conversion. As you can see that this particular number is the binary number. Why? Because the base is 2 here, so you have to convert this particular number to decimal number. Okay, the conversion of each other number system to decimal number system involves multiplying each digit of number system with the weight of the position, or we can say the power of the radix system, and the sum the products calculated the total is the equivalent value in decimal. So in this case we can see that here the radix or the power is 2. So to convert this number, what we have to do, we have to take each one of the digits that is present over here, and we have to multiply it with the power that is present over here in the positions, and then we have to sum it up. So to do it, let's see the example, then it will be clear for you. As you can see that each and every digit we have written over here. 1 is there, so for this one, for 0 you can see the 0 is here, right? And then 1 is there, so here is our 1. Then 3 0 is there, right? So 0 0 0. Okay, and then 2 1 is there, and here is our 1, here is our 1, and then again this one. So we have to separate each and every digit, and then we have to multiply it by the positions. Okay, so we have to count it from this section. This one is the first position, that will be the 0th position, 1 position, second position. So this way you have to count it. Okay, and till this one, this will be the 7th position. So that's why we have taken the base or the radix base, that is 2 for the binary system, and then we have raised to the power 7. So we have to do like this. So for this 6th position, 2 to the power 6 will be there. For 5th position, 2 to the power 5. In the similar fashion, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 0. Okay, this way you have to write your digits, and then you have to calculate this calculation. 1 into 2 to the power 7, that is the 128, and 0 into something, that will be the 0. Again 1 into 2 to the power 5, that is 32. Again for this 3, each and everything will be 0, because we are calculating or we are multiplying by 0. That's why this 3 will be 0. And then 1 into 2 to the power 1, that is the 2. And then 1 into 2 to the power 0, that means it will be 1, because 2 to the power 0 equals 1, and we are multiplying by 1, that is the 1. If you will sum it up, then it will be 163, and that will be our decimal number system. So if you will convert 1010011 in the decimal number system, then it will be 163. So I hope you understood that how you can convert a binary number to decimal number system. So if there will be any other number, you can do it in the same fashion. So I hope now it's clear. If you have any question, you can ask it in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.